we're going to open 4 more boxes of the Summer Sand Star Wars mystery pins. If you were here for the last unboxing, we got 3 Leias and 2 Yodas out of the 6 pins that I bought. It was a disappointing unboxing. And if you're interested in either of the doubles that I have or any that I get in this package, I have them listed on my Whatnot store. And if you use the link in my bio to sign up for Whatnot, they're going to give you $15 in credit to spend on their site, which means you can get the pin for free. But like I said, I got 4 more to open, and we're going to see if we can complete this series. We need to get the bottom 3 on the box here. We need Chewie, we need Luke, and we need, of course, Darth Vader playing in the sand. Because why wouldn't he be? These are Loungefly pin boxes, so they come with 1 mystery pin per box. Let's start off strong. All right, starting off strong. Right off the bat, we grabbed Chewbacca playing in the sand. That's a good start. Let's see if it continues. Come on, no doubles, no doubles. Well, we got a double. We got this one last time. It is the Jawa building the C-3PO head in the sand. So this one will go up on my Whatnot store. Or if you collect this series and you want to trade, let me know in the comments. All right, we need 2 more pins, and we only have 2 more boxes to open. So we need Luke or Vader. Need Luke or Vader. This is getting to be really bad, guys. We got another Yoda pin. So now I have 2 extras of Yoda, 2 extras of Leia, and an extra Jawa. This is not going well. One last pin needs to be Luke or Vader. If I had my pick, I would want Vader, but either of them will make me happy. Just not another double, please. Please. Son of a... We got another Jawa with C-3PO. This has been absolutely miserable to open. I've never gotten so many doubles. I got 4 pins this time, and 2 of them were the same. And now I've bought 10 boxes, and 6 of the 10 pins I've gotten have been doubles. I've only gotten 4 of the set. So if you're out there and you have Luke or Vader and you want any of the other pins, please let me know. I'd be very willing to trade with you. Or if you just like these pins and you want to head over to my Whatnot shop to pick them up, they will be for sale when this video is live. And if you use the link in the description to sign up for Whatnot, they're going to give you $15 in credit on their site. So essentially, this pin is going to be free. But let's go ahead and add the 1 new one out of the 4 I got to the pin board. This is really depressing. 4 pins and only 1 of them was new. But there's my Star Wars pin board getting fuller and fuller by the day. Down below there, you'll see this collection of the Summer Sand Loungefly pins. How epic is this pin board, by the way? I have that in my Amazon finds on my link as well. Check it out. I think at this point, I'm going to try to trade to get the last 2 pins I need and not put any more money into these blind boxes. So if you have Luke or Vader and you want to trade, please comment down below and let me know. And if you want any of these pins, check them out on Whatnot. And let me know, are you liking these unboxing videos? Should I make more of them? I hope you have a great day, and may the Force be with you.